Here we are.
So you guys moving out?
Yeah, have to. It's not safe no more.
Really?
Yeah, somebody tried to break in. And then 4 days after that, they shot at me and shot everything up when I was outside at the club. Here's what's left of the garage. It was so fun. House brought me a lot of blessings and we blessed a lot of people, but it's time to move on. Last walkthrough of the house before we get up out of here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It's kind of eerie walking through here. You know, it's been a long couple weeks, man. I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. It has been a long time coming, guys. It's been a long time coming, man. I am currently in the back of the Maybach right now. Literally one of the only cars I got right now that's left. It's been a crazy freaking road, but we'll get to it as the video continues, man. But if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. It's been like a long time since we've been doing like a regular video like this. And we just got a lot of stuff to update you guys on and stuff like that, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in for the rest of the video, man. It's gonna be all over the place, but all in all, man, we will get this thing situated. We are on our way to the original house we got in Houston, man. Can't wait to get back over there and just make sure it's all cleaned up and everything, because we're actually moving out. Well, we actually moved out a long time ago, but we're actually going to go in all of the things and everything at that spot right now. Just get everything cleared up and see what's good. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go check out the crib and I'll tell you more about it when we get there. Alrighty, guys, let's see what we got here. You guys haven't noticed, man, the bucket hats are in. They will be getting shipped out today, so we got a lot of work to do. Got a lot of work. Dang, looks like trash is everywhere around this joint. It's crazy. Well, here we are. Good old, man. We had a good time here. Real good time here, man. Here we are.
So you guys moving out?
Yeah, have to. It's not safe no more.
Really?
Yeah, somebody tried to break in. And then freaking like 4 days after that, they shot at me and shot everything up when I was outside at the club.
That's scary.
Yes, that's right. Okay, need the car seat for sure. Here we are, man. Let's get this thing going. Empty as ever. Freaking, let's check out this room and see what's up. Let's see. Clear it out for the clear outs. Everything cleared out. No power in here. Dang, that's crazy. I remember taking a shower up in here, man. This thing is actually, I'm actually good though. It feels weird being here. It feels weird being here right now. It's weird to you, it did. Weird. Oh, we still have bags and shit left.
Huh?
Still have bags in there and shit left. Everything is out these bottom things.
All the cabinets.
Every cabinet. Then, them cabinets up there empty. I just want to make sure. All them keys and stuff gone. Let's take a walk upstairs real quick, man. So as you guys know, man, we had some unwanted visitors, man, had tried to come and get in the house. You guys see the clip here. So I actually moved like the very next day after I seen that. Ironically, we got approved for another spot literally the same day that happened. So we're supposed to be in here packaging up everything right now, getting it out of here, but we have to do other things and get everything else situated. Everything else situated. Let's see what we got. Let's see, let's just make sure we see like there's towels in here, man. You know, when you want something done, you gotta get it done yourself, man. You gotta get it done yourself. Stuff all into this man. Let's see, it's hot as heck up in here, I know that much. Here's what's left of the garage. Yeah, damn near. Oh God, let's fill this shit up and get this shit in the pot of there. Good old Christmas tree lasts me the whole year, man. Lasts me the whole year. Too bad I don't got that no power. We had like a reef blower around here. We must have took that too. But yeah, there's nothing here right now, man. Everything is scattered all over the place. And all over the place, these things are scattered, man. Alrighty, here we are, man. The last of the Mohicans, man. It is time to roll. Time to roll, man. Like I said, it was so fun. House brought me a lot of blessings, and we blessed a lot of people within this house. But it's time to move on. I had to already move once. Now I pretty much got to move again, in a total of 3 times right now, man. So we're gonna get this thing together. Meanwhile, y'all see this thing empty as ever. Now you good? I wasn't tripping. Alrighty, guys. Last walkthrough of the house before we get up out of here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It's kind of eerie walking through here. Just to know that somebody came to this back door right here with plans to assassinate me. Because not only less than a week later, after these guys were at my back door, they tried what they tried, and it was what it was. They tried what they tried, and it was what it was. So we are looking for a new location right now, man. Everything has to be G14 classified from here on out. Meanwhile, man, here we are, the house with the lake in the back. It was nice, it was fun. But I ain't trying to have these suckers at my back door this easily. So, with that being said, man, next location, we already moved, but we have to move again for a 3rd time, man. So, with that being said, we close the door on this chapter here, and we are out, man. I can't wait. Let's get the heck out of here. It smells like death in here, bro. Literally. Remember the last time we opened up this garage? Had bikes, cars, whatever you wanted, literally lined up back to back to back out there. All gone. Everything could be gone in a matter of a freaking instant, man. So always remember to cherish everything that you go through and everything that you have, because like I said, as you guys see, everything can go or be gone at the blink of an eye, man. So you guys see what it is. About to hop in this thing and I'm out of here. Alrighty, guys, next day here, man. I'm at my new penthouse location. However, I gotta move from here too. It's not safe, and at least I don't feel that way right now. So can't really even be out here. So what we're gonna do, we're about to go get this last little bit of stickers and all that stuff, so we can get all this stuff shipped out from where I got everything at a secret location. And we'll figure it out from there. Meanwhile, I'm about to hop in this joint, and y'all come roll with me for a second, right? And meanwhile, guys, while we were able to get most of the hats and the stickers and everything shipped out, most of you guys should have those, man. I actually did that stuff off camera, man. So I appreciate everybody who's tuning in and supporting and who's been supporting. Meanwhile, like I said, most of you guys should have got your bucket hats and your stickers. If you haven't, it's probably a good handful of you. I'll be back shipping in the next couple of days. I'm currently out of town. But meanwhile, man, while all of this stuff was going down, I ended up purchasing a whole nother Harley Davidson Road Glide, man. I ended up sending that thing out west. You guys know, being in Houston, it takes forever to build these bikes, man. So with that being said, I sent that bike over to my guy Built by Dre. He took delivery of it for me, and then it was like a little bit messed up. So I was like, you know what? Just bust it all the way down to the frame, man. So we'll check it out and see what it's looking like and see the bike from his perspective on the first glance, man. So you guys stay tuned. I appreciate y'all, man. Let's keep this show moving and get this show on the road, man. It's a movie.
They got my truck. Oh, he know how to drive. He got it. Yo, yo, yo. I don't see that.
Oh, I was gonna say it turned over. What's that? I just seen the red.
Oh, the rotor.
My little dolly, yeah, that thing. I said, oh, it turned over. I'm gonna have a little yard. I'm gonna back.
That's not bad.
It's funny as it runs.
Yeah, that's how crazy these
I
shits
didn't
be.
start it or nothing, but I know that it runs.
Yeah.
The power, everything. You're like, okay.
Oh, that's cool. Just the front rotor off. Yeah, this ain't bad.
Alrighty guys, meanwhile man, after all the mayhem man, we are finally back where the things have started, where everything begun man. Pretty much taking this channel back to the basics, if you will man. You guys know what time it is. All my original subscribers, you probably know where I'm at already. If you don't, here we are, Los Angeles. Pulled up on my dog Built by Dre man. Y'all know I wasn't out here to take delivery of our Road Glide, and I was just like, man, go crazy on it for me man. So y'all see him, he got his roller over here with the all red on the all reds. So you know I had to come all white with the all white. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy man. Y'all know what time it is. So you guys seen a few videos and pictures and all that before it got to this stage. So we finally just got most of the parts in and stuff over there, and we're about to clean the motor up today. Mr. Built by Dre, what's up man?
What's going on, man? We about to get to it.
How we feeling man? You didn't bust me down like that man?
Man, we gotta have you looking right. We're gonna have you out here sliding.
Okay, bet. You know, it's been a long couple of weeks, man. I'm trying to get back in the groove of things, man.
Hey, nah, definitely. Hey, we was out there having fun.
Trying to get back in the groove of things, man. So, bet. What we got here, man?
We got the white frame looking good. It's crazy. Just like the first one we had did from a long time ago out the storage.
Right, huh? You know, they probably not going to like white, but they going to love this one. I know
exactly.
they are.
So, we got to get the style.
I can't wait. Is this the motor to it over here or what?
Where our bag at? We just came from the store.
The Big Daddy for the Big Daddy, man. Y'all see what's going on. Anywho, man, y'all see the Big Daddy over here, man. Like I said, fresh off the auction and everything. So, about to get this thing cleaned up. We got the degreaser over here, wire harness, everything's there. So, we really going back to the basics with this one, man. You guys remember our very first bike, we took it like frame off and everything. Our very first M8 rather was a frame off build. It looks similar to this on the color, but that one's more so like chalk gray. So here we are. You guys seen the before pictures, and this is slowly but surely turning into the after, man. You guys see what's going on. I can't wait. It's time to go yay man. We're gonna tune in with y'all in a second though, man. I can't wait. All right man, so my guy done freaking degreased everything, all the freaking wire harness, everything's degreased, cleaned up. Also with the motor, looking a whole lot better now. We just need to add some pig spit on this joint, change this little vacuum hose, and then slide this thing on the bike. And that'll be that much easier to do, only because the bike is off. So we'll see what's up with that. Meanwhile, take a look on this side. Looking good, all shined up, man. Y'all know I like chrome, man. So can't wait to bring this chrome to life with this white. Can't wait to see what other color we are going. Meanwhile, man, it's time to go get the wheels and stuff for this thing. I don't even know if we're going to pick them up today, but we definitely got to go like make sure they're getting made and everything. So we're going to go to the rim shop real quick, but I might got something else for you guys in store, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We'll see what's up. So, alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. You guys just see the whirlwind of stuff that we've been going through and everything that we've been having to deal with, not only with, like, personal issues, but, like, shipping and just everything, trying to move and having to move, being forced to move. Like, it's a whole different ball game when you're put in a position where you have to do something instead of you wanting to. It just takes everything by storm. So, with that being said, man, definitely appreciate you guys hanging in there, being patient. Like I said, all of you guys' hats should have been shipped out. Most of you guys should have got them already, including your stickers. Of course, I want you guys to remember, man, if you guys do get a sticker, make sure you post them up in a really, really cool place. Make sure you send them to me either on Instagram or via email so we can post them things up and pick the winner for the best place picture, man. You guys know that winner gets $1,000. Meanwhile, as for the giveaway, man, you guys seen the house. Nothing else is at the house right now. Everything is literally scattered around. And being that I had to move 3 freaking times and had to do so much other stuff and spend so much more money, man, it's just been a hectic time getting everything in the same place. Meanwhile, we were able to pick up another bike. You guys seen that here today. Not only did we pick up another bike, man, I got everything for it in the paint shop and the wheels on the way already. So that'll actually be coming to the giveaway as well. Like I said, right now, it's just really hectic. And then you guys waited a long time, man. So I felt like it was a need to add that other bike. So we got a new bike coming into the giveaway. That one should be done in about a week. And then I actually got another surprise for you guys tomorrow, man. So make sure you check that out. Meanwhile, as for the cars, man, we still trying to set out all the hats and everything so we can get you you everything that we promised you with the giveaway. Is just like right now, man, everything is really like tied up, and like life is tight right now, man. Not only my safety, but everything else that goes along with the everything regular business, man. So we just trying to get back to the basics, get back on our feet, and get this show on the road, man. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in and supporting, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, man, I need your support now more than ever, man. You get 500 entries per hat purchase, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular hat or a sticker. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway, man. I definitely appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. Like I said, man, prepare today for success tomorrow. You see, they tried to take me out. They tried to break into my house. They tried to get me at the club, and it's just like both times I was freaking out the way. I ended up with the longer end of the stick, put it that way, man. So with that being said, man, I'm here for a reason. I can't wait to make you smile, man. You guys know what time it is. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get your entry, man. Meanwhile, man, it's time to get back to work. Make sure y'all tune into that video. Here's a sneak peek at tomorrow's video, man. You guys know I got another video dropping tomorrow, man. We about to get back on this flow, get back on this building, and get back to work, man. I definitely appreciate that. I can't wait. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.